So the 360 hack has everything to do with power in your glutes, your quads, and your hamstrings. So we're gonna be focusing mostly on this power here to generate the 360 jump. The 360 hack is unlocked when you find two spots, one in front of you and one behind you. So in front of me is a screen, behind me is a leopard printed spot on this truck. So what I'm gonna do is look behind me at the spot that's behind me while my toes are facing forward, and I'm gonna jump to the spot. The distance between the front and the back spot is covering a 180-degree plane. So that's why we call it a 180-degree jump. We're gonna repeat that. Look back at the front spot, the screen, jump to it. Let's do that 3 times. Make sure there's a generous bend in your knees. I think that might have been 4. All right, let's go the opposite direction. Looking behind, jumping to the spot. Looking in front, jump to the spot. 3 more times. All right, now we're gonna warm up the 360s off skates. The 360 hack is unlocked when you trick your skates and your body into thinking that you're only processing half of the images. So the direction when we're skating is always led by our eyes. So once we turn our eyes, then our shoulders turn, and then our torso twists, and then our hips will turn, and then knees and toes. So you wanna look at the back spot, and we're going to bend our knees generously, jump up into the air, and we're not gonna let our feet come down until we see the front spot from the far side direction. So look behind you. We're leaving and landing on the balls of our feet. Jump. Do that again. Look at the back spot. Generous knee bend. Jump. Absorb at the knees and in the balls of your feet. Don't put your feet down until you see the front spot. The move is really nailed when you land with your eyes on the front spot. So look behind you, jump. Okay, now maybe you spin the other direction. I like to look over my right shoulder, that's my natural side, but most of my friends go left. So we're gonna go left, look behind you, and jump until you see the opposite spot. Look, jump. Look, jump. And as you can see, I'm not using any momentum in my arms. We'll add the arms later, but just to be super safe and get our balance right, you wanna learn how to use the power of your legs to spin all the way around. When we do that, our eyes are only processing 180, and it almost tricks our bodies into thinking we're doing less of a spin. So that's what we're gonna do on wheels. So you really wanna practice those 2 spots and nail the 360 without wheels on your feet before attempting it with wheels on your feet. So we're gonna do the 360 hack. Choose which side you turn. Could be right, could be left. There's no right or wrong way to it. I'm gonna start with my left, even though my right's natural, because I'm really comfortable doing these. We'll just warm up some 180s real quickly. Look at one spot, and your toes should be facing the opposite spot. You're gonna be in a generous knee bend, leaving and landing in the balls of your feet, lifting your heels first, landing your heels down last, jump to the spot, and then land in a nice squat. Do that again. Look, jump, look, jump, look, jump. Let's try the other direction if you're comfortable. Look, jump, look, jump, look, jump. Ah! Stagger your stance so that you can find easy balance in the balls of your feet. Because if you don't and you get confused switching right or left too much, like I just did, you might go to your heels. Luckily, all Moxi skates do have lifted heels, and the reason why is because when our momentum is going forward or when we lose our balance, almost always we're gonna fall backwards. So the heel gives you that extra balance point to fall back on and bring it forward. It's like an extra chance to come forward. Look at the spot in the direction that is most natural to you, that's behind you. So the landing spot is the one that your toes are facing. And the starting spot is the one that's behind you. And your brain is gonna process 180 degrees, and it's this plane here that it's processing. We're gonna get into a nice generous knee bend here, and we're gonna jump, and we're not going to put our feet down until we see the front spot from the far side. When we land, we're gonna land just like we started in a really generous knee bend. Head, knees, and toes in alignment. And we're gonna land with our eyeballs. So look behind ourselves, jump. Look, jump. You're gonna leave and land in the balls of your feet and also in a slightly staggered stance. I'm gonna try it, I'll do it on the left side. So look behind you. Jump and don't put your feet down until you see the front spot. Spot behind. Jump and land when you see the front spot. Let me show you from the back side. So if I was turning left, I would look behind me, toes facing towards the landing, and I'm not gonna put my feet down until my eyes meet this spot, this direction. We don't want to stand up at any point. We're going to be spinning on a plane in this nice knee bend. Okay, now to the right. Look behind, jump. Now this is just the 360 hack. This is how to use the power of your legs to get yourself all the way around. Once you've nailed that, then you can use your arms for momentum to help you get all the way around. So if I was gonna do it to the right, I would swing my arms after I jump. So I actually like to wind them up, bring them forward, continue to look, and then swing. So swing your arms into it after you've got it. Thumbs up if you got that. Please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the lessons that we're gonna be rolling out. And please share this video if you liked it to anyone that you think might love it. Thank you so much for tuning in to the free live roller skating lessons. We'll keep them coming. I appreciate you so much. Thank you.